So what we have here is the small rig black Mamba kit for the EOS R5 and EOS R6 3234, fully outfitted. Now at the time of making this video I didn't see anybody that had it all outfitted, so I thought I would make one so you could see what it looks like. The black Mamba kit is made out of carbon fiber and it's a cage that goes around your camera, as you can see. Now this cage is extremely light, I mean major light. And as you can see, we have the wooden handle connected to it. We have my regular handle connected to it. And we even have a handle up here. Right now on the cage we have the Ninja 5, we have the Rode 3, we have the wooden handle, and my leather handle. And this is everything that is on that cage currently. Now, when you buy the cage, you don't want to buy it off Amazon, you want to buy it from the Small Rig website. And I will have a link in the bottom going directly to buying this cage. When you buy it off their website and not off Amazon, you are going to get all kinds of little gifts like multi-tool, I mean depending on what it is at the time, coupons, and you're going to save money. There's one catch to this. It's going to take 2.5 weeks for this thing to come in, and it's going to take time, and that's probably why they give you all these extra gifts to tie you over. Now on my particular setup, I'm running the Ninja 5 with the Rode 3, and the Ninja 5 would be this monitor up here. The Ninja 5 costs about $600. Then you're going to need a cord, different types out there. I'll have everything I have in this kit in links below. The hard drive is up here, the battery is up here. That battery lasts maybe about 2 or 3 hours on the Ninja 5. Then you've got the Canon battery you might get 45 minutes out of. I am looking into trying out an external battery, maybe that I will connect to the leg of the tripod and then have it go up to a dummy battery. That is something I'm looking into. But with this particular setup, you're looking at probably Ninja 5 runs 600, hard drive 100, battery, you're probably into $1,000 just for the Ninja 5 equipment you need for the top sections of this. Your Canon R5, as everybody knows, well, I have the R6, goes for about $2,500. Canon R5 I think is $3,800. And then the cage itself, the black Mamba cage from Small Rig, this goes for about $250 if you buy it with coupons. Now it's like an ectoskeleton connected to this EOS R6, and it's extremely light because it's made out of carbon fiber, and you've got the connection here so you don't need to add anything to the bottom. And this really does hold everything nice this black Mamba cage holds. Now there was one problem. This came with some type of attachment that connected here with 2 screws, and it would protect your cables. I couldn't get my cables on. I've seen other people posting in forums that they couldn't get their cables in there either. So I don't know what Small Rig was thinking when they made it, but I just ended up taking mine off. It comes with it when you order it, but I just took it off so I was access to all my cables quite nicely. I found when it was attached, it really wasn't that great. Now this, the Rode 3 microphone, well, Rode 2, has a spot here. So we do have a spot off to the side to connect that quite easily. Now, you do have screws at the top here. You could connect some things here. You do have on the handle a connection here to where I could put the Ninja 5 into the handle if I so choose. When I ordered the black Mamba carbon, cage, it did not come with this, which was extra, and it did not come with the wooden handle. I added those extra to my cart, which brought the total to $250. So if you're thinking about the black Mamba, then this will give you an idea of how it looks when it's all set up and ready to go. And if this is a kit you're thinking about, then like I said, I'll have the links in the bottom to everything you see here, so you know what you're looking at. But understand, if you're just a YouTuber, this isn't something a YouTuber needs. I mean, you do get unlimited recording with the Ninja 5 and at 4K 60, and that's why I wanted it, because the Canon EOS R6 has a limit of 30 minutes, and sometimes it overheats even at 20 minutes. So I wanted to bypass the overheating. And in order to do that with the Canon R6 or the I believe the R5's the same, I set this monitor to turn off and my EVS to turn off after 1 minute when everything is being sent through the Ninja. Now I have noticed when I plug my microphone, okay, into the Ninja, some guy says you get better sound. I didn't. I got like a tingy sound, which I wasn't too impressed with. When I plug it directly into the camera, my sound seems to sound a lot better. I'm still playing with the sound. I may need a different mic, I don't know yet. This is a learning process as I go with this Ninja. Now, another reason why I bought this with the Ninja 5 was a lot of times when I'm in my blind, I want to record deer for, you know, at least 1 hour, sometimes other animals at an hour, and then pick and choose whatever footage I want. And I don't want it overheating. So a lot of times when it would overheat, I'd have to wait, you know, another half an hour or whatever for it to cool off so I can continue to take video, which was annoying. With the Ninja 5, I don't have that whatsoever. And animals are not going to sit there and say, okay, he's overheated, let's wait. Afraid they're not going to do that. So this just gives me the versatility to kick it all in. Now I have noticed you turn on the Ninja 5 first, wait a minute or so, then turn your Canon R6 in, turn your Canon R6 on, and then everything just kicks in perfectly. So if you're considering the small rig Mamba kit for your EOS 5 or 6, I really strongly suggest you order it off the website with the link I'm giving you, so that way you get all those free gifts and extra things that just is a nice little bonus. And this is a quick review of seeing the Ninja 5 with the Canon EOS R6 with the Rode 2 microphone all set up on the black Mamba kit, which is made out of carbon fiber. If there's any other videos you would like to see on this, let me know. And I tried to cover everything I could think of that I run into with this kit is what's going on, or if you're considering getting it. And like I said, I don't think a YouTuber needs this particular kit because it is quite pricey, but if it's something you're into, then you may want to consider picking up the black Mamba kit with the Ninja 5 and get it all set up. Okay, I'll catch you guys on the next one.